We've got a bit of a situation here at the outdoor cinema. So this is the hot tub, this is the projector, they all look perfectly fine. But this is supposed to be the screen. Right here, we have 120 inches of perfect outdoor screen. But it's missing. What happened? So the other day, there was a bit of a storm and it started to rip from the top, ripped all the way down, and it just ripped in two. I tried to fix it with a bit of a temporary screen overnight. That lasted about 5 seconds. So we're gonna build it back and we're gonna make it even better. We're gonna put the screen up, make sure it doesn't come down, and make some major improvements to the setup. So you're probably thinking, what's the plan? How are we gonna do this? So I've ordered the new fabric and it has arrived. It's quite heavy, so we'll unbox this in a second. But essentially all this is white fabric. And what we need to do is we then need to take off all of the existing staples and stuff and put this up. We're gonna do the unboxing. Hopefully this won't take too long. I've got the knife here, we'll just be careful. I'm hoping to be able to rip most of it. Okay, there you go. So this is pretty simple. All it is just some fabric. There's nothing exciting to it. That'll probably do. We can probably pull it out at the end. As you can see in there, there's white fabric. Pull that out. There's the white fabric, a bit of cardboard to separate it all out, but this is all we've got. Nothing massively complicated. I'll do the same again here. Okay, so we've got it all here now. We've got the fabric. We've just got to put it up, which is quite simple to do. We've just got to staple it around the edges, and then I'll show you a complete afterwards of what it's going to look like. But let's get to the time lapse. Now we've actually done quite a good job of getting the screen on. I'm going to pull it a bit tight at the bottom, just stretch it out, because you can see there's a bit of movement over there, which I'm not too happy about. But we haven't stapled the edges, so that'll be the last line of pull. So as you've seen, we are very much there. It's all up. It's looking much better than it did the last time we did this. The hot tub is here. We've got the festoon on. It's getting dark, but I need to calibrate this projector. So let's do that, and then I'll show you what it all looks like. This is quite hard to do, actually. It's quite hard to work out when it's straight and when it's not. I'm trying to leave a bit of a virtual border of about that much. Hopefully you can see that. That is it. It is up and it is working. It doesn't want to come right down to the bottom, so it has to stop about there. I think the projector has shifted slightly in the box because I can go higher, but I can solve that later on. You don't need to see that. But it looks perfect. What do you think?